Today we're gonna introduce this VVDI adapter to read this human machine interface 2.5 module. This MCU chip, let's say the chip model number. Say, okay, can see clear. Yeah, D70F3554. Okay, this adapter connect to the module edge at this edge by this dedicated connector to insert push it. Okay, this side is DB35 connect to the VVDI plug. Okay, right, connect. Let's connect the VVDI to laptop. Okay, say right connected. Okay, let's try. Say open the VVDI software. Here we already open it. Say select MCU V850 chip D70F3554, just the same as the chip model number as the circuit board. Okay, then let's click read. Okay, you can say, let's say frequency. Yeah, it's began to read. The D-flash is data size is small, so it's very fast to read. Okay, you can say, okay, successfully read. Usually you can click save, but here we not save. We just try show how to read. Then read the P-flash. Okay, click P-flash, then click read. Try frequency. Yeah, it's began to read, but the P-flash is very big size, so here we not read. We stop, just to show how to use it. Okay, if you are repairman to repair the HMI 2.5, you may need this to read the MCU chip. This adapter can get from our website ECUDPOT.com. Okay. Yeah, it's alright. Search HMI. Then get this. Yeah, this. Then you click add card, then check out online directly. Okay.